Hey folks, it's time for our Wednesday topic of the week. This week, we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of composting, how microorganisms turn your pile of scraps into living, breathing soil food. Let's start with the bacteria. These little decomposers are the first on the scene, breaking down fresh materials like food scraps and grass clippings. They're the workhorses of your compost, creating the heat that kicks the process into gear. Without them, your compost pile would just sit there like a cold salad bowl of leftovers, doing absolutely nothing. Now, once bacteria have done their part, fungi step in to tackle the tougher stuff. Fungi specialize in breaking down woody materials like leaves and small branches that bacteria can't handle on their own. They weave through your pile with thread-like strands called hyphae, extending the network of life and connecting nutrients throughout the compost. They're the silent builders that hold the system together, and their presence is a good sign your compost is maturing properly. If you find this type of stuff interesting or useful, do me a favor and like, share, or join our community in the description for more tidbits of information. Now let's get back to it. Then come the predators, protozoa and nematodes. These tiny creatures might not get as much attention, but they play a huge role by eating bacteria and releasing nutrients in plant-available forms. Think of them as the recyclers of recyclers, keeping the nutrient loop running smoothly and preventing any one group of microbes from taking over. It's a perfect example of balance in nature, where every organism plays its part. To keep these microorganisms thriving, managing your carbon to nitrogen ratio is key. Too much nitrogen, like food scraps or grass, can cause bad smells and anaerobic conditions. Too much carbon, like dry leaves or wood chips, and your pile might never heat up. So, you want to aim for a good mix of browns and greens to create the ideal environment for microbes to multiply and do their work efficiently. You'll know your compost is ready when it looks, smells, and feels like rich soil. The color should be dark brown, the texture crumbly, and the smell earthy, not sour or rotten. That natural forest floor aroma means the biology has completed its job, transforming waste into living, microbe-rich compost. Now, if you want to supercharge that compost, bring worms into the mix. Adding worms adds another layer of biology. Worms break down material even further. It's like going from good to great, creating compost that's teeming with life and immediately beneficial to your soil. Finally, take the time to assess your compost. You don't need a lab to do it, just a few simple tools. You can simply observe its smell, texture, and how plants respond when you use it. Healthy compost teems with movement, smells earthy, and brings your soil back to life. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next week.